My goodness gracious, it stays like this in central Pennsylvania where it doesn't get better. And so I wanted to take this moment and just share a few of my favorite things that take me to my happy place. You know, we got Happy Gilmore 2 out, so any 90s kids out there that saw Happy Gilmore 1, Happy Gilmore 2 is just as good. So these, when I'm getting stressed, here's a few of my happy places that I go to, just like Happy Gilmore did in Happy Gilmore. So I absolutely adore garden work and yard work. So right now I'm about to trim this hedge, and let me tell you, a nice tight line and a nice trimmed hedge. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if it gets any better. I happen to love yard work. So trimming and doing yard work takes me to my happy place. And I love every bit of doing this work. I love that I need to go down into my little shed and get all of my equipment. I love that I have to clean up the yard. I have a dog, right? I got to clean up a yard. I don't want to step in any diamonds. The second place is my garden. I have a raised garden bed, and I didn't know what I was doing, and I overpacked it way too much. But turns out I had cucumbers come in. I have peppers coming in. We've already eaten 2 cabbages. There's raspberries coming through. I see little bees doing their job. And then we have a multitude. Listen, if you need tomatoes, just hit your girl up. I have them for you. There are hundreds growing in. And this is also a little love letter to my grandfather. My grandfather, who served in the Navy and did the thing back in the day, he was a big gardener. And I really wish that I would have paid more attention to what he was doing. But I'm doing my best. I'm channeling Poppa. And I put some raspberries beside my tomatoes because that's what he did. And I think that's the secret. Put some fruit with your veg. Well, I guess tomatoes are fruit. Anyways, put some fruit with your fruit, and then they cross-pollinate and do some cool stuff. Okay. And then the last thing, my happy place. Really, I guess my happy place is my yard, right? I'm doing the yard work, trimming the hedges. I have my little raised garden bed. And then finally, I put these little stakes all throughout my yard, and it's to feed the birdies. So these are my homemade bird feeders, and all I did was use a plastic stake, put it in the ground, and used an old coffee mug. This one happens to be from one of my favorite places, or excuse me, favorite business organizations, NGLCC. Yeah, promo. Shout out. So, for you, if you're stressing today, where's your happy place? Where do you go to just relax and chill and let the cares of the world sort of melt away? And if you don't have one, you know, maybe this is the notice to find something. Is it walking? Is it reading? Is it playing a sport? Is it going to the batting cages? Is it going to an arcade? Is it window shopping? Is it going for a drive, a bike ride, getting an electric scooter and driving around town? I don't know what it is. Find it. Find it. Because once you do, man, the relief that you get, and then the freedom that you get to be who you are and create and be the person you are in this world, it's amazing. So find your happy place. For me, it's out in the yard, out in nature. What's it for you? I'd love to know. Comment. Let me know.